cloudBRAT. Organize anything. cloudBRAT.com.
To add an image to your page, of course, go to the page you want to add the image to. Next, click on the Edit icon. When the editor opens, place your cursor on a new line. I'm going to create a new line by pressing the Enter key, or by placing the cursor at the very beginning of a paragraph. Once you have the cursor in the correct position, click on the image icon in the toolbar. The single image dialog box will pop up. You can either click here or drag and drop images here. I'm just going to click here. To select an image from your device, click on the image and click Open, or double-click the image. This time I'm going to leave all options as is and just click Insert into Editor. And our image is on the page, along with some placeholder text. Remove this text when you are ready. Don't forget to save the page at the bottom of the editor. This time, let's look at the options when uploading a single image. Once again, click the Edit icon. Once the editor appears, place your cursor on a new line or at the beginning of a paragraph. Then click on the image icon in the toolbar. Select an image and the first option is Crop Image if desired. You can crop an image by clicking on the crop icon here. Drag the handles as you like, and then click Confirm, or Cancel if you don't want to crop it. I'll click Confirm. The image has been cropped. The second option is Image Position. Left of the paragraph, right of the paragraph, or in the center on its own line. Let's choose right of the paragraph. The third option is Image Size. Thumbnail, small, medium, large, or full. I'll click small this time. The fourth option is Border Shadow. Border and shadow, border only, or none. I'll click border only this time. And the final option is pop up, no or yes. If you click yes, the image will pop up if clicked to its full size. Let's try it. And once again, insert into the editor. As you can see, since we selected right, the image is to the right of the paragraph. I cannot click it to pop it up while in the editor view. Let's save the page. Scroll down to our new image, and if we click it, there it is. What if we want this text to display below this image? Remember, we set this image to be on the right, or in technical terms, we say float right. In order to get this text below the image, click on the Edit icon, scroll down to that section, and you could place the cursor at the beginning of the paragraph and just hit Enter many times. But this is the dirty way of doing it. The correct way of doing it is to put your cursor within this text or this paragraph, or better yet, at the beginning of the paragraph, then click on Paragraph, and then Clear Image. Voila! The paragraph drops below the picture. This is called clearing an image. If you have an image to the left of a paragraph, you do the same thing. You need to clear the paragraph. To better understand clearing an image, take a look at this graphic. You'll notice that we have two paragraphs. We pressed an Enter key to create the second paragraph, but we want the second paragraph down here. First of all, place the cursor within the second paragraph. Then, on the toolbar, click Clear Image. The second paragraph will drop down below the image. The image is cleared. For more information on changing an image's properties and styling, please see the video Image Properties and Styling.
cloudBRAT. Organize anything. cloudBRAT.com.